Hello students, welcome to Studify Success. This is sixth lecture of triangles. So we will start with the question. First question is BE and CF are two equal altitudes of a triangle ABC. Using RHS congruence rule, prove that triangle ABC is isosceles. So हमें क्या given है कि this is a triangle, that is triangle ABC. इसमें दो altitudes हैं CF and BE which are equal and हमें prove करना है कि AB equals to AC. So how we will proceed with the question? Firstly we consider two triangles, that is triangle BEC and CFD. इनको congruent prove करेंगे. So as these two are like CF and BE are altitudes, hence angle angle BEC and CFB equals to 90 degree because they are altitudes, so they make 90 degree. Secondly, BC is common side, right? In triangle BEC and triangle CFB, in both triangle BC is there, so BCs are common side. And thirdly, since altitudes are equal, it is given to us, right? So CF equals to BE. So these two triangles, that is BEC and CFB, are congruent by RHS congruence criteria. So if these two triangles are congruent, then by CP/CT we can prove that angle C equals to angle B, right? If these two angles are equal by CP/CT, then we can use the result, that is sides opposite to equal angles is always equal. So if these two angles B and C are equal, then AB equals to AC by this result. Now we will proceed to question 5, which is, it says ABC is an isosceles triangle with AB equals to AC. Draw AP perpendicular to BC to show that angle B equals to C. हमें given ये है कि triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle with AB equals to AC, and then given AP is perpendicular to BC. We have to show angle B equals to angle C. Again we will take two triangles APB and APC. So in triangle APB and ACP, angle ABP equals to angle APC equals to 90 degree. Since AP is altitude, right? So this implies APB and APC equals to 90 degree. Then AB equals to AC. This is given to us where ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB equals to AC. And third is AP is our common side. Hence triangle APB is congruent to triangle ACP by RHS congruence rule. Now by CP/CT we can prove, like if these two triangles are congruent, then by CP/CT we can prove B equals to C. Next question is, show that in a right angled triangle the hypotenuse is the longest side. So this is a right angled triangle, right angle at A, and we have to prove that hypotenuse, which is BC here, is the longest side. So ABC is a right angle triangle, right angle at A. So we know by angle sum property, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degree, right? हमें ये भी पता है that angle A is 90 degree. So if A is 90 degree, then this implies angle B plus angle C equals to 90 degree. So here we can see B plus C equals to 90 degree and A is also 90 degree. So we can say that A is the largest angle of the triangle. So if A is the largest angle of this triangle, then we can use the result that side opposite to the largest angle must be the largest side. So hence if A is the largest side, then side opposite to A, that is BC here, is the largest side, which hence it is proved. Hence it is proved that BC is the hypotenuse, which is the largest side. Now we will move to next question. In this question, AB and AC of ABC are extended to points P and Q respectively. So AB is extended to P and AC is extended to Q. Then also it is given to us the PBC. PBC angle is less than QCB. And we have to show that AC is less than AC is greater than AB. So how we can proceed? So यहाँ पे हम क्या कर सकते हैं, हमें ये गिवन है कि PBC जो है हमारा is less than QCB. Okay, so we will use a property of linear pair axiom here. So by linear pair axiom, ABC plus PBC equals to 180 degree, right? तो हमें पता है कि ABC plus PBC equals to 180 degree. So we can write as ABC equals to 180 degree minus PBC. Similarly, ACB plus ACB equals to 180 degree again by linear pair axiom. So we can write ACB equals to 180 degree minus angle QCB. Okay, हमें ये गिवन है कि PBC is less than QCB. So अगर हम इस दो इक्वेशंस को इक्वेट करते हैं तो हमें पता चलेगा कि एंगल ABC इज ग्रेटर देन एंगल ACB. तो स्टूडेंट इस चीज को मैं एक एग्जांपल थ्रू एक्सप्लेन करती हूँ. सपोज हमें ये गिवन है कि PBC इज लेस देन QCB. हम PBC को 60 डिग्री मान लेते हैं, QCB को 70 डिग्री मान लेते हैं, और हमें पता है कि ABC प्लस PBC एंड ACB प्लस QCB 180 डिग्री होता है. तो अगर ये मेरा 60 डिग्री है तो एंगल ABC हमारा क्या होगा, 180 माइनस 60 विच इज 110, राइट? Similarly, sorry, just let's take another example. Here अगर मैं ABC यहाँ पे PBC को मैं ले लेती हूँ 120. सो ABC क्या होगा, सिंस इन दोनों का सम 180 डिग्री है और ये अगर मेरा 120 है तो 180 माइनस 120 हो जाएगा 60. तो ABC हो गया मेरा 60. सिमिलरली अगर मैं इसको 130 ले लेती हूँ, राइट, सो ये हो जाएगा मेरा 180 माइनस 130 50, राइट. तो अगर ये एंगल बड़ा होता है, जैसे QCB जो था PBC से बड़ा होता है, लेकिन जब हम 180 से माइनस करते हैं तो जो रिजल्टेंट आता है दैट इज ABC जो होगा वो ACB से छोटा हो जाएगा. इस रिजल्ट को हम यहाँ पे यूज कर रहे हैं. सो अगर हमारा ABC जो है, अगर हमारा PBC जो है QCB से बड़ा है, QCB जो है QCB इज ग्रेटर देन PBC, राइट. तो अगर 180 माइनस QCB करती हूँ मैं और 180 माइनस PBC करती हूँ तो जो इक्वालिटी होती है वो चेंज हो जाती है. Hence, angle ABC is greater than angle ACB. Now, again we will use the property कि if in these two angles ABC is greater than ACB, then side opposite to the larger angle is always larger. तो ABC अगर मेरा larger है तो इसके opposite side है AC and ACB जो है उसके opposite है AB. तो अगर ABC बड़ा है तो इसके opposite जो side है AC वो BC से AC जो होगा वो AB से बड़ा होगा by the property that side opposite to the larger angle is always larger. Next question, we have to show that हमें क्या गिवन है कि एंगल B जो है in this triangle OAB, एंगल जो B है that is greater than angle A, and in triangle ODC, angle B is greater than angle C, and we have to show that AD is less than or smaller than BC. तो हम कैसे प्रूव करेंगे? So we will use the property कि अगर कोई दो एंगल्स हैं उनमें से जो भी लार्जर एंगल होता है उसके ऑपोजिट जो साइड होती है वो लार्जर होती है. तो यहाँ पे हमें गिवन है कि दैट एंगल A is greater than एंगल B, राइट. तो एंगल A की ऑपोजिट साइड जो है वो है OB. सो OB और B के जो ऑपोजिट है वो है OA. सो OB will be greater than OA by the property that side opposite to smaller angle is always smaller. तो अगर यहाँ पे B छोटा है तो उसकी ऑपोजिट साइड जो OA है वो OB से छोटा होगा. सिमिलरली इन ट्रायंगल ODC हमें गिवन है कि एंगल D is greater than एंगल C. then side opposite to D, that is OC, is greater than OD. So by using the property that अगर दो एंगल्स हैं उनमें जो लार्जर एंगल होता है उसकी साइड वाला जो एंगल होता है, सपोज हमें इस ट्रायंगल में ये गिवन है कि B is less than A, then side opposite to A will be greater than side opposite to B. तो यही प्रॉपर्टी हमने इस पूरे क्वेश्चन में यूज करा है. तो हमें पता है कि B is less than A, so side opposite to A is greater than side opposite to B, which implies BO is greater than AO. Similarly, C angle is less than D, hence OD is less than OC. अगर जब हम इन दोनों को ऐड करते हैं तो AO plus OD, which is AD, and BO plus OC, that is BC, hence AD is less than BC. So student, this is all about this lecture. If you want to download the notes of this lecture, you can find the link in description box. And also you can download the app STUDIFYSUCCESS. Thank you.